How to get JPMorgan Palladium Card. The JPMorgan Palladium Card, now known as the JPMorgan Reserve Card, is an exclusive credit card offered by JPMorgan Chase to its private bank client. So at first, become a JPMorgan Chase private bank client. To become a private bank client, you will need to have a significant level of wealth and meet a specific criteria. Build a strong banking relationship with JPMorgan Chase by holding substantial assets and maintaining a high level of financial activity with the bank. Contact your private bank advisor, and your advisor will provide you with information on the requirements. If your application is approved, you will be issued the JPMorgan Reserve Card. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.